All right, everybody, welcome back. Today, we're going deep on something pretty different.
Yeah.
It's called OMAD.
OMAD.
1 meal a day. And I know what you're thinking.
Right.
1 meal a day. That's crazy.
Yeah.
But stick with us.
Yeah.
Because the research is, well, it's pretty wild.
It is.
And today we're going to break down everything, good and bad, about this eating pattern.
Absolutely.
So you can decide for yourself if it's something,
right.
Worth exploring.
Well, and I think what's so interesting about this is that it really impacts the body on so many different levels.
Right. And when we say 1 meal a day, we mean it all your calories.
All of them.
In a single hour window.
Yep.
So let's start with something I think a lot of people are probably wondering about.
Let's talk about why you would want to do OMAD, or 1 meal a day. The first is because it's ridiculously good for weight loss. It also is that first step in to fasting. So when you first start to go from 6 meals a day and you train yourself to 1 meal a day, you're gonna notice oh my gosh, this is all magic. It also is great for helping you unstick your weight. So if you've been doing intermittent fasting, 13 hours, and you really need that extra push, going to 1 meal a day can unstick you. I highly recommend it. It's also great for chronic conditions and really good for men. Men typically can rock 1 meal a day because it brings a man's testosterone levels up to close to 2,000%. So these are the conditions we would use 1 meal a day for.